Hello guys. In this episode, in this webinar, I would like to show you how to use the multimedia functionalities in the product. As you can see, I am in the test project for one of the bus shelters we have created in here. The bus shelter is active and it owns all of the multimedia functionalities we can have. So let me start from light effects. Light effect is the feature that is using RGB LED lightings and allows user to display few different very nice multimedia possibilities. So for example, what you choose here is the type of the effect. So there is snake, blink, fade in and fade out. Three different types of the effect. We can choose, for example, the blink, and there is the two colors. The color is something that is the first color. You can pick from few colors we put here. Let me go for blue. And the background color is the second color we use for this particular effect. For example, for blink, it will be that the first blink will be blue and the second blink will be green. And then you go and you choose from the speed. To put it in a simple way, you can choose slow, medium, or fast. Let me go for medium. And repeat. So how many times effect repeats. So now it's gonna be blinking from blue to green in medium speed, and let me repeat this for 6 times. Now if we save it, the configuration goes to the device, and this is how, for example, the future bench or future informational kiosk will be now lightened up. You can always turn it off and off as well. Let me now go to the audio. Audio functionalities is something that allows you to create the library of the files and choose which one you currently want to have in the product. So you can always enable it or synchronize it. Let me put this functionality on. And what does synchronization mean? It means that, for example, you can upload something to the product, but it may not be synchronized with the cloud. But if you want to upgrade some functionalities, some audio files offline, then you go and you change the SD card in the product and it's not going to be synchronized. So if you click synchronize device media with Seedia Cloud, then you will see what's actually in the product. So this is very good functionalities because you can either use it online, either use it offline. So for example, here I have some library of the files. If you just want to pick something new, you upload a new file and you will see it here. And the nice thing here is that I click on the particular audio files I want to have. I can always download it, but I can choose to have it in the device plate. So if you want to choose any of the files, you just click here, choose, and it goes to the local library which is gonna be on your product. If you want to choose which product is the first one, then simply click the arrows in here, and this is gonna be your queue for the files. So this is gonna be how they're gonna be played. If you want to erase them, you just click delete icon in here or choose the other one. So this is good because you create the right library in panel seedia.city, and then you choose the files you want to have in the particular moment in your product. You can also click on the button with the speaker, and then you will be able to hear it out to check what you actually now have in the product. So now if I have this ready, I just click deploy change, and they're gonna be uploaded to my product. Let me now go to the slider. The slider is the functionality that is used for the displays. For example, in here we have two displays, which is 31.2 inches e-paper display, and they can have up to 6 images, the first one, and the other one up to 2 images, because the other one is 2-bit resolution, so it's much better quality of the displayed image. So I upload the file, you choose here the file you want to upload. Here is the button for the upload. If you click the upload in here, then you choose the file from your gallery. Let me go to downloaded files. Let me upload the trash can. Then you If you want to upload a new file, then you just click on the upload new file. You choose the picture you want to upload. Here it is, upload the file, and what happens now is that the file is uploading to the cloud, and during this upload process the file is changing to the format that will be displayed on the product. So you can see it here, it's already done. You can click preview, it's already changed into grayscale, and it's how it's gonna be displayed on the display. If I deploy changes here now, then the configuration is sent to the product. So it's a very easy tool. And what does this mean? That is slider option. The slider option means that we have the carousel of the files. So if we upload here these 6 files, they're gonna change after every 2 minutes. Or when the user comes to the product, he press the button, then the carousel starts to go faster, so that the user see all the posters, all the images that we have uploaded to the product. So this is something that is very useful for the marketing purpose and for some informational purpose. But the displays, they can also work in a different way. So they can also work with the keyboard. Then we have the other configuration for them, and then the user picks which screen he wants to check. So he just used the keyboard to use the particular screen and check the particular information. So that would be it for the multimedia functionalities from the Seedia products. You can see them in the kiosk, you can see them in the bus shelter, and light effects or audio effects you can see in every single product we have in the offer. So thank you very much for listening to today's webinar. I hope it's gonna be useful, and now you will know how to use panel seedia.city.